Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see today, I'm going to be doing a video on this look right here. So yes, I actually used the Alyssa Edwards Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going to be reviewing it. As you can tell, these colors are super bright and very not traditional for Anastasia to do these type of colors. You know, a lot online right now you're seeing a lot of like hot pink looks and purples and bright colors because summer's coming up. So I really wanted to try something different. That's why I went for a little bit more of a bronzy look. So I will be showing you guys how I did this look on my eyes and reviewing this palette. So this is the Alyssa Edwards palette, and as you can tell, it has 14 shades, and it comes with the duo eyeshadow brush, and I actually love to use this brush for a lot of my looks. The shade I'm going to go in first with here is called Headliner. It's the whitest shade, and I'm just going to be applying that underneath my brow bone as a highlight, and kind of just blend that in all over my lid to just brighten up my eye. I'm going in small circular motions to make sure that I really blend it out. Next, I'm going in with the Supreme. This is more of a tan orangey color. And that I'm just going to be smudging on my crease and on my outer V. And I'm also going to be applying some on my eyelid. Now, what I really love about this eyeshadow brush is that the blending brush is super fluffy and it works great for blending. And it works really good with any palette, especially the Anastasia ones. The colors just blend into your eyes so perfectly. Now I'm going in with Ho, and I love these names, you guys. By the way, I thought that some of these names were so funny on these palettes. It's like, you know, they're running out of names to use for shades, and nobody wants to use the same names as the other palettes. As you can see, I'm just blending that into my eye and just creating a second dimension of color. Now I'm going in with Inspire, which is more of a golden bronzed shade. And I'm pretty much just concentrating that on my inner eye, the inner corner of my eye, as well as the crease, the inner crease, to brighten it up. I love how it's super pigmented, but it's still sheer enough to give me that look that I'm going for. Now I'm just applying those same shades underneath my lash line on the bottom of my eye. And like I said before, I noticed how there's a lot of like purples and pinks out on the internet right now. So I really wanted to be a little bit different, although this is the perfect palette to get crazy and use hot pink and blue and yellow and purple. But I feel like I've just been playing with those colors way too much lately. So I really wanted to switch it up and stick with the more basic colors, just to be a little bit different. Now you guys, I'm going in with the shade of Back Rolls. See what I mean? Like, some of these names are just hilarious. Anyway, so that shade, I am just applying it on my outer V and just blending that in. Now, I already have my eyebrows done here, thank God. And of course I use the dark brown shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. And my lip gloss is a lemonade lip gloss in the shade of Peach Tea by Dominique Cosmetics. And I will be applying some lashes and eyeliner to this look to just intensify the whole look and glam it up a bit. So now, ladies, you're just going to continue to blend until you can't blend anymore. And then when you think you're done, just blend a little bit more. This top that I'm wearing, as well as my earrings, I copped both at Burlington. And lately, I've just been shopping there a lot, you guys. I've been finding a lot of great items there. And I'm in love. I'm just applying a little bit of mascara here to prep my lashes. It is the black mascara from Better Than Sex, Too Faced. And here we go with my favorite lashes at the moment. They are from Sugar Baby _ lashes on Instagram. But instead of a U, you're going to want to type a V. So it's SV Baby _ lashes in the style of white diamonds. And I will put their username and link down below so you guys can go check them out if you like. They are absolutely amazing, you guys. I've been so in love with them that I've been wearing them so often. I'm going to have to reorder already. Now I'm just applying some eyeliner to my inner corner of my eyes so that way I can blend in the lashes. And I am going to apply just a little bit at the top. This is my super edgy eyeliner from NYX Cosmetics. That's the point, in black. And as you can tell, you guys, I'm really feeling this look here because I've been doing a lot of colorful looks lately that, you know, I kind of miss this neutral toned down look on myself. Now I'm just going in with my mascara and I'm applying some on my bottom lashes and just a little bit on the top to blend. And that's it, you guys. As you can see, those are all the beautiful colors that come inside this palette. It's an amazing buy, and you know, like I said, it's very untraditional for Anastasia to use those bright pigments. But I'm so glad that they did. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I love you so much, and stay tuned for my next video.